A nice, thick salmon steak with veggies, all in one pan. A little bit of seafood heaven. Let's cook. So let's start with a nice 1-inch thick salmon steak. This is almost a pound of Atlantic salmon. I ate the whole thing, but it really is enough for 2. Let's start with cherry tomatoes. These small ones will retain a bit of their shape and color while adding a bit of flavor. Some cooking oil into the pan. And the tomatoes into the pan. Let the cut sides char a bit over high heat. And a medium-sized zucchini. Cut that into long pieces, not too thin, so it doesn't cook too quickly and turn mushy. Add the zucchini. Cut up half an onion into thin half onion rings. I want them to retain their shape even after cooking. And add the onions. And let that saute covered for a few minutes. Time to season the salmon. Garlic powder, and paprika, and black pepper. These are my go-to seasonings for fish. Season both sides. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make room in the pan. A bit more oil. And add the salmon to the pan. Fry for about 4 minutes. I covered it to keep the heat in to cook a bit faster. I was getting hungry. Flip over carefully. The problem with this cut near the belly is that it starts to fall apart so easily. I wanted to add a bit of a lemony taste, so I sliced up half a lemon into thin slices. I'll use the rest to squeeze the juice later. And add the lemon slices to the vegetables. The fish has been in the pan for about 8 minutes. Let's check for doneness. Almost ready. I chopped up some fresh dill, sprinkle that in, and serve. Squeeze some lemon juice onto the salmon. A bit more dill as garnish. Salt to taste. Enjoy. So simple, you can eat it right out of the pan, if nobody's looking. Ingredients. Serves 1 to 2 people. 1 thick salmon steak, 1 zucchini, half an onion, 4 ounces of mini tomatoes, cooking oil, 1 lemon, half a tablespoon garlic powder, half a tablespoon paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste, and fresh dill.